Welcome to the feature demonstration of NetVision. In this video, we are going to talk about the NetVision single page application. So NetVision SPA is an evolving feature which provide advanced search option where details on sessions, pages and other aspects can be searched very easily. This feature increases the understandability and interaction of user with the machine. Therefore, it is named as Smart Search. To view the NetVision single page application, click on the search option. A new window will appear and this is called as NetVision single page application. This window contains details of the sessions such as session start time, entry page of the user, browser of the user, duration of the session, the total number of pages the user navigated to, the device the user used, and other. On the left hand side we have the time filter. On all the sessions you can apply the time filter by clicking on this button. You can apply for active sessions or you can see the sessions for the past 15 minutes, 1 hour and so on. For example, let's see the active sessions. You can see there is one active session and you can see the start time of this session, the entry page and other details. So you can also apply time manually for like you want to apply for a specific date. You apply the date here till here and click on done. After this we have the session filter. In the session filter you can apply filters for channel. You can select the operating system. You can select different location of the user or you can search by the browser. You can search with the login ID, you can search with the client ID. Then we have the advanced filter. In this you can select the entry page, you can select the exit page, you can also type the page URL, you can select the referral URL, and after applying all the filters, click on done. On the right hand side we have the column section. User can specify which column to be displayed and which column to be hide. By using this you can select different columns such as session ID and you can see the session ID of all the sessions are displayed here. Let's say you don't want to see the entry page, so you deselect it and the entry page has gone. Let's say event also and the events are gone. So according this you can select different columns for every session. Now we come to the smart search feature. This section is used to search for any record throughout all the sessions. This also gives the suggestions for any particular text that we search. For example, let's say we type Chrome and you can see Chrome in browsers. After applying the parameter, click on search. This smart search can also search for multiple parameters. For example, let's say Chrome, let's say PC, and after applying the parameters, click on search. So you can see sessions having Chrome as their browser and the customers who have used PC as their devices are shown here. You can also replay the sessions from this window only. On the left hand side you can see the replay icon. Click on the replay icon for any session and the session replay will start. For example, let's say we click on this. Okay, and this is the session replay window. On the left hand side is the page navigator which shows the name of all the pages the user navigated to. The action bar which shows which action did the user perform, did it click or scroll or whatever. And this is the progression bar which shows the progression of user in percentage. And this is the replay section. Either we can do it automatically by clicking on play or we can go it manually by clicking on next. So we click on next. This portion has been highlighted. That means the user had clicked on this portion. Let's see in the action bar. Yes, the user had clicked on Why NetVision. Now the user went to the particular point, and we can see in the action bar the user is clicking on that point. He clicked on online customer experience, and then he went to watch videos. Yeah. He might not want to fill the form, so he went to contact us. You can see the user went to contact us in the action bar. This is the contact us page for NetVision. Okay, the user found out the number for Kevison. He might have contacted Kevison through this. So in this replay, we saw that the user was interested in NetVision. He checked out some features of NetVision, then he went to saw the videos, but he wasn't interested in filling the form, so he directly went to the contact page of Kevison, and he might have contacted Kevison in future sometime. So we can replay all these sessions accordingly. To exit this mode, click on exit. Now let's see the RUM mode for every session. To see the RUM mode, double click on any session. Okay, this is the session detail page. On the left hand side, there are other sessions also. For example, you want to switch to other session, you just select that and you will switch to that session. On the top, it shows the session details, for example, the channel, the duration, location of the users, and other information. Also, this page shows the session ID of the user, session start time, session end time, and further other details. So let's drill down. These are the pages the user navigated to. To view a particular page, double click on that page. Now there are various stats. For example, navigation timing. It shows connection timing, main URL download, and the DOM time. You can view all the time here: DOM time, time to DOM content load, or time to first byte, time to DOM interactive, cache lookup, and others. Let's view other stats. For example, resource timing. Resource timing shows the slowest download. You have all the details: the slowest response, the slowest DNS, the slowest connect. You can view the waterfall view of this. In this, there are various elements associated with resource timing. For example, XHR, script. You can see all the script associated with this session. Images, style sheets, documents, media, others, which other parameter were involved, and failed request. You can also view them in one window. For example, clicking all, you can see all the parameters here. There are other stats also, for example, user timing. This section displays the action name along with the sequential timing. You can see the events, you can see the cookies, for example, cookie name and the value. You can see the HTTP request, JS error, user action, and furthermore. You can also see the page dump, which will show this sample page. This was the sample page. And then to go back, click on back to pages. So this was all about NetVision single page application and smart search feature of NetVision. To know more, please contact to Kevison. Thank you.